Okay, in this video we're going to talk about different types of compression. The first one is serial compression. Now this compression is probably good for classical music, jazz. The threshold we're going to put it at 40 to 50 dB. So that's already there like that. The ratio we're going to put it at 1.2. Okay, the release time is going to be about 300 milliseconds. If I can get it there. Well, close enough. Let's give it a listen. Now turn this off for a second. Now serial compression is downward compression. Now we're going to take a look at another one. Parallel compression is upward compression. So you're going to set the ratio to about 4.1. Okay. Attack time is going to be 5 to 30 milliseconds. And release time is going to be related to the attack time. Yeah, 5 to 30 seconds. So this is parallel compression. Let's give it a listen. It kind of lowers the sound dramatically a little bit, but you can always use makeup gain and output it more. Okay, so those are the two types of compression. And so give both a try for different types of music. And thanks for listening. Give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more audio engineering tips and mastering tips and plugins. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.